Hello guys, I'm sorry for the bad quality of the video. My smartphone, although being a smartphone, is an old school one, and my laptop decided not to cooperate, at least with the mic. So this was for now the only way that I could actually record something to share with you, and fulfill the assignment 100%. So I want to tell much more than I already wrote in my post. I would just like to highlight through this video some challenges that I faced. I'm sure all of you had your own challenges, and I'm sure that you overcome them. And for now, I guess I was able to overcome them also. So basically, the idea for my card was to use it as some kind of ticket value. Because I'm offering a ticket for a show to my mom that will be in the same date of her birthday. So that was a cool coincidence. And not only that, even the singer will be his birthday also on that same date. So 19 April in Lisbon. So basically, I just decided to do an image app that will tell her actually that I'm offering her the ticket. You can see through this video, but in the post you'll be able to see on the top left corner actually there is the hint that the image worth a ticket. So basically the challenge, since I was using two images, was to actually positioning them properly and to look more or less the same through the different displays, to the different Android versions displays. It wasn't easy. I'm not sure I was using the right strategy. I had to use some starts and tries with some basic simple steps, but they were not actually working for me. So the best option that I found out, it was just like using two view groups, like considering like the top image and the image below, the picture of me and my mom, and the bottom text view, aligning them with a linear layout, a vertical one, as you can see, and I was successful with that. And the tricky was to include in another relative layout two more text views. This one that actually gives the birthday message, and the upper left one that actually shows that or gives the hint that the image is worth a ticket. So yeah, it's some kind of a ticket image, you know. So basically with that I was pretty satisfied with the result. I tried not to put a lot of colors, you know, follow like the basic design rules, like not to mess up with a lot of colors. So since my own photo with my mom was already too much colorful, I had to just use the design colors already in the image of the concert, the upper one. So basically it's just some white yellow and dark blue. Yeah, and that was fine. The video I'm recording already with the suggestions of Alex implemented. Thank you, Alex, the forum mentor. Basically give me the good practice advice to put all my dimension values in one in its own XML file as a resource, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let me see. Values. Okay, in the values, yeah, resources values folder, and do the same for the strings. So all my strings are in one XML file. And since I was like using my text views with pretty much the same attributes, which means the same color, not the same size, but at least the same text color, the same background, the centered text attribute, I just decided to make my own style XML file, which would be useful in my own case. Basically this just set the some kind of standard attributes that I can use later without typing all the attributes by themselves. So basically what I made was first style first style group, which included the text alignment option, centered option, the text color, which will be the same for all the text views, the font family, and then I created a second style group. I'm not sure if I'm using the correct terms, but I hope you understand the idea. I just created a second style group that would inherit the same attributes as the first, okay, but with just the little difference of the blue background, because as you can see in my picture, not all the text views have the same blue background. So we have 3 text views in here. 2 of them actually has the blue background, and the upper one, since it's already in over a blue based picture, there was no need for that background. It only had another aggressive element to the picture, which wasn't necessary. So yeah, I had to specify actually those differences into style groups. Now I'm calling it group, it's not the correct term, but I hope you understand the idea. So guys, right now I'll try to do even, improve an improved version in our next assignment, like our business card. I'll use the skills that I've learned through this process, through the happy birthday card process. I wish you good luck. I don't know about you, like I told you in my post, right now I'm actually eager to learn some functioning, to add some behavior of the to the app, to actually to make our apps more complete and really interactive, which is not the case with an app image. So yeah, as we could chat along the forum, we already have I do not know if it's a glitch or it is intended or not, but we already have access to more lessons, in at least in the coffee break challenge, and in there I guess we already introduced to some Java coding or object-oriented programming. So I guess that will be cool. I saw a lot of colleagues already adding some cool stuff and functionality to their apps, which really made me eager to actually learn those skills and start to implement them. So I wish you good luck. Be free to criticize, comment, and make the questions that you feel that you are not fully satisfied with, and that you want actually some answers. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Keep up the good work.